Hello beautiful friends, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and on today's video we are going to talk about a product that is creating so much buzz. It is the bareMinerals Gen Nude Blonzer. I'll be showcasing two shades. It's going to be the Kiss of Pink and Kiss of Copper. As someone in my 40s with medium skin tone, I am always looking for a product to enhance my mature skin without settling into my fine lines. So if you are aiming for that effortless sun-kissed glow, this video is for you. So what exactly is a bronzer? Well, it is a combination of blush and bronzer in one compact, designed to give your skin a radiant, beautiful glow as though you have been out in the sun. bareMinerals formula is talc-free, vegan-free, and boosts a silky texture that really enhances your skin. It looks beautiful. It also doesn't accentuate any texture or fine lines, so it's really great for mature skin. Let's dive into the two shades that I will be demonstrating with you today. The first one will be Kiss of Pink. It is a light medium pink with warm undertones and a subtle pink pearl finish. It's perfect for achieving a soft rosy glow that brightens the complexion. The next color is Kiss of Copper. A medium copper with warm peachy undertones and a luminous sheen, this shade adds a vibrant sunlit warmth to the skin. Both shades are designed to deliver a beautiful blendable coverage, a radiant finish without emphasizing skin texture. Now let's swatch it on my skin. Here's how both shades look on my medium skin tone. Kiss of Pink, it applies as a gentle rosy flush, imparting a youthful vibrancy that's flattering and natural. With Kiss of Copper, it provides a warm peachy glow, enhancing the skin's natural warmth and adding a healthy radiance. So are you guys more of a pink girl or a peachy girl? Both shades blend effortlessly and offer a luminous finish that complements medium skin tones beautifully. Okay, now for the fun part. Let's apply these bronzers and see them in action. Starting off with Kiss of Pink, I'm using a fluffy blush brush. This one is from bareMinerals. I apply it to the apples of my cheeks, blending it upwards towards the temples. This technique is great because it helps lift the face and adds a youthful glow. The color is soft and buildable and allows for you to build the intensity on your cheeks. The next shade is Kiss of Copper. With the same brush, I'm going to sweep this shade along the high points of my face, cheekbones, temples, and lightly across the nose for a sun-kissed look. Its radiant finish adds warmth without looking overdone, and is perfect for a natural bronzed look. You guys are going to love these shades because they blend like magic and you can build up upon it. So if you wanted something, more subtle or more intense depending on your mood, I love that feature. And again, it's great for mature skin because I am in my 40s, and again, I'm looking for a product to enhance my natural beauty, and I really feel like these two are keepers. Okay, I want to share a bonus with you. And did you know that you can use this bronzer as eyeshadow too? Let me show you how. I apply Kiss of Copper to my eyeshadows using my favorite fluffy brush for a cohesive monochromatic look. It adds a subtle shimmer that's flattering and just ties a whole makeup look together. I'm thoroughly impressed with bareMinerals Gen Nude Blonzers. I really love this product. I love it because I can use it on my skin to give a youthful glow without looking over the top, so I really like a natural finish. The fact that you can build coverage with the bronzer is so nice, because sometimes I've put on blush with one swipe and it was like way too much, and it's hard to remove because when you remove the blush, it also takes off your foundation, and that's just a pain. This product's great because you can easily build the intensity of your blush without looking overdone. If you are looking for a product that delivers both color and warmth, this one is for you. I'd love to hear your comments below. Please remember to like, and I would love it if you subscribe and press the notification bell so you won't miss another beauty video. And if you like reading content about style, fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, please head over to my blog at deborahsavage.com and consider subscribing there as well. Thank you again, and I will see you lovelies next time. Bye. I want slow love.
uncomplicated touch, stable as we go, consistent as we grow.